World leaders have become seriously aware of the need to decarbonize our ecosystem and achieve zero emissions by 2050. Carbon dioxide emission rights prices in some countries have increased 5-fold in recent years, and governments are increasing green taxes to force clean technologies to be used. These include renewable energy and green hydrogen, and launching subsidy schemes for R&D and investments in recycling assets, driving additional benefits in terms of resource efficiency, energy consumption, and carbon emissions. With these investments and taxes, in 5 years' time, melting aluminum using hydrogen as fuel could be cheaper than using natural gas. The aluminum recycling plant of the future must combine decarbonization targets with the principles of the circular economy. Clean, renewable energy is used to feed an electrolyzer to generate hydrogen and oxygen, to recycle post-consumer scrap. Tilting rotary furnaces and vortex furnaces with delacquering systems are powered with this low-carbon fuel. Hydrogen will replace natural gas to drive down CO2 emissions. Holding and alloying furnaces use renewable electricity as the heating medium. The plant recycles and treats all its byproducts, such as dross, salt slag cakes, and generated fumes to create zero-waste circular plants through sustainable methods of producing aluminum alloys. Of the future uses machine learning technologies to propose end-to-end solutions with cutting-edge facilities that improve cast house operations. More than 10,000 data per second are captured in the plant, stored and processed to simulate and predict the performance with a digital twin. Join us on the path to making this smart and clean future a reality. This is the moment to think and act on it. Because the future is now.